Get into the 2018 Nissan Rogue Sports. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.